Hi everyone, my name is Julio and welcome to this video. Okay, in this video I'm gonna make mashed potatoes with fried sausage. The ingredients are potatoes, um, milk, a little of butter, a little of salt, and sausage. Okay, and rice. Okay, first you need your potato and cut like this, and you need to put the potato in a pot with water. With a little of salt. Um, for about 10 minutes. In this case, I have only one potato, and the potato doesn't need much time. The second step is cook the sausage like this, like the potato. And about the rice, in my case, my rice is here. But I'm going to explain how to cook the rice. Okay, first you need about the rice. You need to put the rice in a pot with water and salt, and boil for about 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Eso. Okay, the rice boiled on low heat, not in high heat, but the because the rice se pone negro. Oh, hi people. When the potato is soft, you need to remove it. Okay, people, the potato is hot, be careful. Okay, the potato. Okay, when the potato is here, mash the potato, okay, with a fork or whatever. Okay, like this. Así, mash. And then add the sorry. Add the butter. What is my butter? Okay, I can see. Add the butter. Okay, like this. And mix. The salt, little salt, and milk here, a little milk. You need to add a little milk. Okay. Okay, and mix them very well, like this. Mix, 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 and mash. People, okay, look at this. If you if your mashed potatoes looks like this, you win, you win. It's so yummy. Quality. 100% guaranteed. It's so yummy. Okay, now I'm gonna fry the sausage. Okay, and here you need to put the sausage here with oil. I don't know that I don't have oil, but never mind. Never mind. With a little oil. It's so expensive. The oil is too expensive. Okay. You need to put the sausage here on medium heat. Okay. So wait, people, I don't have oil, but I have butter. I guess with the butter it's okay. I don't know. Not oil, but I have a butter. Okay, finally, try it. A ver. A little of rice, my sausage, and my super mashed potato. It's so yummy. So yummy. I can married with my girlfriend now. Tomorrow. Thank you for watching.